This is an industrial grade drone called the DJI Matrice 600 Pro, and it's capable of carrying all sorts of scientific instrumentation. So this camera here was purchased by the student technology fee, and we use this for teaching and also for student research. This is a thermal imaging camera that can map heat in real time.
Projects like these benefit the students by giving them the most up-to-date, cutting-edge equipment to be able to use to help them in research and development or further their education. So when they go out in the real world, they have the advantage of having already used that type of equipment.
They are wonderful pieces of technology that can help us with mapping in thermal imaging, regular imaging, that you can see land from, say like 200 feet up or more. It's insane that this technology allows us to see what normal humans can't see just from the ground. Like, you can see the world in a whole different light.
This is using the best technology for teaching. It exposes students to new technologies that they can use in the workplace and also for research. And a number of my students are now commercial drone operating scientists. They've been hired by local consulting firms, and they fly these drones professionally for their job, and that has been incredibly rewarding as a professor to see my students succeed in that area.